Hello, this is DeMartini RV Sales, and you're looking at the Forest River Georgetown 30X3. This is a 2016 model. It has full laminate floor for easy cleanup and durability, Corian countertops, a large LCD TV. There's a sofa that converts into a bed. Here's another look at the large TV in the kitchen area. You have a convection microwave, an oven, a refrigerator, booth dinette. There's your split bath with a large shower. Here's the bedroom area with a slide out bed. You have a LCD TV, lots of cabinets. There's storage. Here's a look at the split private part of the bath. Medicine cabinet. This coach has leveling jacks. There's an overhead drop-down bunk in the front of the coach. Rear vision system. There's another look at the couch. It's a 30-foot coach. Check out this coach and more on our website, DeMartiniRV.com.